Stocks in focus: Atlanta, Augmont, PSU Financiers, Waaree Energies, Gen Resource, BMW Ventures and APAC. 1. Multibagger stock hits 20% upper circuit on 2,485 crore rupees expressway deal with Ercon. Shares of Atlanta Ltd rose 20% in Wednesday's trade after the infrastructure company announced it has entered into an agreement with Ercon International Ltd for the construction of an expressway project in Maharashtra. Undertaking the construction of the Bhandara-Gadchiroli Access Control Expressway, package BG03, on EPC mode. The stretch covers 34.786 kilometers, from Sarandi Bank in Bhandara district to Kinhi in Chandrapur district. 2. Augmont Enterprises filed DRHP with SEBI to launch 800 crore rupees IPO, check details. Augmont Enterprises, a gold and silver player, has submitted its draft papers with the market regulator SEBI to launch an IPO aggregating up to 800 crore rupees. 3. HUDCO, IREDA, PFC, REC rally up to 5%, why PSU financiers are surging after RBI policy. Shares of state-owned financial institutions including HUDCO, IREDA, PFC, REC and others jumped up 5% during the trading session on Wednesday after the RBI's monetary policy, where it announced measures for reducing risk weights for infrastructure financing, supportive for the PSU non-banking players. Besides keeping the rates unchanged, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra announced a measure on infra financing out of 5 key measures, where risk weights for NBFC lending to operational, high-quality infrastructure projects will be reduced, lowering financing costs. The announcement triggered a rally in PSU financiers. 4. Waaree Energies commences operations at new Gujarat facility. Shares of Waaree Energies remained range-bound on Wednesday after the company announced commencing operations in a new facility in Gujarat. Waaree Energies stock rose 0.65% to 3,349 rupees and 80 paise in the early trade but dropped nearly 1.5% from day's high to 3,299 rupees and 85 paise. 5. Gen Resource Recycling shares make a strong market debut. Stock lists at 265 rupees for a 14% premium. Gen Resource Recycling sold its shares in the price band of rupees 220 to 232 a piece, which could be applied for a minimum of 64 shares and its multiples to raise 1,250 crore rupees between September 24 to 26. 6. BMW Ventures turns wealth destroyer on market debut. Stock lists at 78 rupees for 21% discount. BMW Ventures sold its IPO in the price band of rupees 94 to 99 per share with a lot size of 151 equity shares between September 24 to 26 to raise a total of 231.66 crore rupees. 7. APAC Prefab Technologies disappoints at market debut. Stock lists at 183 rupees for a 10% discount. APAC Prefab Technologies sold its shares in the price band of rupees 194 to 204 a piece, which could be applied for a minimum of 73 shares and its multiples to raise rupees 504 crore between September 24 to 26. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice.